Good day, everyone. I am Francis H. Marzo, a kinder advisor from Union Christian College, and I am proud to present to you my study about the kindergarten blended learning material. Early childhood stage is globally acknowledged to be the most critical period for lifelong development. As stated by Jackman, he concluded that quality early education influences powerful development of children along with their mental improvement and formation of their attitude and thoughts. Yet, the coming of the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted the orderly implementation of preschool teaching in a face-to-face mode of instruction. In today's situation, all of us are now on the stage of adapting to the new normal because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Many schools were closed, which in turn adversely affects the education of the learners. The Department of Education and our million of learners are facing enormous challenges. With the issues on the new normal form of education, teachers are challenged to develop appropriate instructional materials that may enhance student learning and may resolve the dilemma of adjusting to the new normal educational system. Since face-to-face classes are not yet allowed, the Department of Education implemented blended or distance learning, wherein the combination of the various distance learning modalities, such as printed modules, offline digital modules, online classes, TV and radio-based instructions, will be used by students and teachers. The drastic shift of the face-to-face, online, or distance modality challenged the kindergarten instruction at Union Christian College. This study developed a material for blended learning in kindergarten, which is considered a key aspect for the learning of the ECE learners. Specifically, it determined the validity of the material as to general soundness of printed materials, social content guidelines, language, layout and format, and the non-print materials. The researcher used a developmental research design as the study focuses on developing instructional material to address the need of the situation. Developmental research design is the most fundamental research methodology employed when developing instructional materials. The study was divided into several phases, such as analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation based on the ADDIE model. This model served as the researcher's guiding principle so that the kindergarten blended learning material adheres to the principles of a contextualized and developmentally appropriate learning material. The kindergarten blended learning material created was based on the topics or lesson objectives in the curriculum guide of DepEd, particularly the most essential learning competencies or MELCs for kindergarten, and the syllabus used by Union Christian College. The most essential learning competencies provided by the DepEd serves as a primary reference of all schools in determining and implementing learning delivery approaches that are suited to the local context and diversity of learners while adapting to the challenges caused by COVID-19. The study made use of online platforms such as Kotobi app and Google Classroom to upload the voice-over recordings of each lesson and a soft copy of the learning material. The researcher utilized the guidelines on evaluation of learning materials in determining the validity of the developed kindergarten blended learning material. A minimal modification was done on the rating scale by converting the yes-no items into a 5-point scale to evaluate the items properly and to fit in the needs of the study. To determine the validity of the kindergarten blended learning material, expert judgments or evaluation was conducted by the researcher. The researcher revised the said materials based on the comments and suggestions of the researcher's advisor and experts who are requested to evaluate and validate the instructional materials. The data was analyzed and subjected to statistical treatment to answer the specific objectives of the study. The researcher utilized the weighted mean to determine the level of validity and acceptability of the proposed kindergarten blended learning material. The foregoing result of the study highlights the validity of the kindergarten blended learning material. As shown from the graph, the learning material in terms of its general soundness of printed materials has a submean of 4.86 with a descriptive evaluation rating of very highly valid. This implies that the said learning material is relevant for the content, format, presentation, organization, accuracy, and up-to-datedness of information. The learning material in terms of its social content has a submean of 4.98, which is described as very highly valid. This implies that the learning material in terms of its text, art, and photos or illustrations entails social values as well as the government's educational trust. The learning material in terms of its language has a submean of 4.97, which described as very highly valid, signifying that the validators agreed with the coherence and clarity of thought, grammar and syntax, spelling and punctuation, and the consistency in style used in each lesson were excellent. The learning material in terms of its layout and format has a mean of 4.81, which is described as very highly valid. This implies that the learning materials seem to be attractive and pleasing to look at. There are adequate illustrations of each lesson that clarifies the concept or lessons, and it facilitates comprehension among the learners. Some modifications on the font style and font size were made so that the letters and numbers will be appropriate for the target user. The learning material in terms of its factors on non-printed materials has a submean of 4.60, which is described as very highly valid. This implies that the quality of the learning material achieved its defined purpose. As reflected from the graph, the expert respondents' overall evaluation on the developed learning material is very highly valid, with a grand mean of 4.84, which implied that the validators agreed with all the aspects of the material. The expert validators provided positive feedback in the developed instructional material and were hopeful for the benefits it would provide to the learning of the kindergarten pupils. As the schools adopt the new normal form of education, this kindergarten material for blended learning was made for the learners to cope with the new normal educational scheme. The learning material provides different lessons, activities, and performance tasks that will allow the learners to learn at their own pace, create, discover, and investigate the things around them, visualize and interact with the learning material, and it moves the learners from theory into practice. This learning material serves as the concrete learning material of the kindergarten learners to further develop and cultivate different skills to achieve the goal of being competent in all aspects of development. Thus, this learning material for blended learning will help the learners learn and understand the lessons in the new normal education setup. Based on the findings, the study concludes that the kindergarten blended learning material helps the learners to cope up with the new normal form of education. Thus, even though they are studying at home, they will still learn the different lessons through this learning material. They will fully understand the concept and topics at their own pace. The validated kindergarten blended learning material is recommended for adoption and to be utilized for the teaching and learning process of the kindergarten learners. And that's all be all. Thank you.